How's it going, YouTube? This is Levi from Bayfoils, and in today's video, we're going to give you the top reasons why you should buy from Bayfoils over Flightboard.com. Now, before we get into it, please like and subscribe. We make these videos for people on the internet who don't have a local partner to shop with. The more people who like it, the more chances of the algorithm sending this to people who could really benefit from it. So, first thing we're going to talk about why you should buy from Bayfoils over Flightboard.com is because of prices. We're super lucky that we live very close to the Flightboard warehouse in USA, that I'm able to pick up boards directly from them and not transfer shipping costs onto local customers. So if you are in Northern California and you want to pick up a Flightboard, you're going to save $400 shipping buying through us because I don't transfer that cost onto the end buyer. I don't pay shipping, so you don't have to either. It's a win-win. The other reason why you might benefit buying from us online is because we don't have to charge sales tax. Because we are a small company in California, if we sell outside of California to another state, we don't have to pay sales tax. Whereas buying directly from Flightboard, because they are a much, much bigger company, they have to pay taxes on online sales. So whether you're local or buying online, you're going to save money shopping through us. Now, the next reason why you should buy from Bayfoils also applies to your local partner, is the fact that you can try it before you buy it. Now, this is huge. These toys are not cheap, and they're very user dependent, as in your system that you want is going to be dependent on your height, your weight, your skill level, where you're riding it, how you want to ride it, and also what your budget is, because there's going to be a lot of different options to choose from. That's going to make every setup different. And so trying it out before you commit $10,000 on your toy can really help you save some heartache in the long run. Taking a lesson with a partner is the best way to figure out what is going to work for you. You can do extensive research on your own to try to figure out what system is going to work for you, but at the end of the day, you're just getting anecdotal information from other people with their experiences. That's not going to 100% translate to your experience. The only way you can figure that out is if you get on the water on a board and try it yourself. If you're in Northern California, West Coast, you can come to our shop, try it out for free. We do not charge for the first lesson if you buy a board from us, because we really want to show people, one, how to properly use these boards safely, and two, we want to sell a system that you're going to enjoy. We don't want to just sell a board. We want to sell the board that's going to work for you, because at the end of the day, we're not in it for massive profits. We're in it to share this experience of flying on the water. If you head over to Flightboard.com, you can go to their locations tab, and it's going to show you all the places nearby where you can demo it. You can click on the pin drop, see what services they offer. Like I said, you really want to try it before you buy it. And that's something that partners offer over buying directly with Flightboard. Then last but certainly not least is our expertise. We've been Flightboard partners since Series 1, and we've been, a boots on the water kind of company for going on 4 years now. So we have, I personally have hundreds of hours of ride time, and I've tried every different combination that you can with these wings and foils and boards and whatnot. I personally am a service tech. I've replaced dozens of motors. I've done carbon repairs for many clients, and I've seen all the troubleshooting that you can do with these boards. So if you have any questions you need further assistance with, it's much easier to reach out to a partner because Flightboard is global. It's going to be hard to get in contact with someone directly that you can build rapport with. But here at Bayfoils, it's just the three of us. Mike, myself, and Alex. So if you have a question after you buy your board, you can reach to us directly. Call, text, send an email, and we can get back to you and help you troubleshoot any issues you might have. So hopefully this has been informative and kind of pushes people to go with their local partner over buying directly. Because at the end of the day, the partners, we're just trying to make sure you have the best experience and get the system that's going to be right for you. And also, at the end of the day, whether you buy directly from Fliteboard or buy from a partner, we just all really want you to buy Fliteboards over the other brands. So if you don't have a local partner and you have to go online to shop for a Fliteboard. But that's it for the video. If you guys have any questions, like I said, you can reach to us directly, info@bayfoils.com, or you can text 415-295-2925. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.